Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this one. This is the most popular from Alex and Annie. I guess they sell bracelets or something like that, Bangle or something like that. But anyway, I took out the label, so I haven't opened it yet. So let's go ahead and pop this baby open. If I could get it open. Hopefully there's no invoice. The reason I put it upside down because the address is still showing on the other side. It says, thank you, find your magic. What's yours? What's your? Hashtag simple right now. alexandannie.com. And you got this moonlight. Let me show, what is it? What is that? I think this looks like an invoice. Let me take it out before. So yeah, this one is come with the, in case you don't like it, come with the return shipping label inside of this sleeve or envelope. So my wife got 3 of this, I guess. Let's go check them out. Wow, 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 wow. So this is the Alex and Annie. This is the Capricorn. Made in America with love. So you can see the picture there. I'm not gonna open this. I guess this is for the nieces. So I'm gonna keep this in the bag. But hopefully I can zoom in for you guys to check it out. I can shake it off. So there's one with the American flag with the heart. This is made of recycling material. That's why you got the recycling symbol right there. And then you got your Alex and Annie name on there. And with that charm, Capricorn charm. So let's go and then open the other one. Oh, there's something on the say something on the back. The message is. So I guess it is a US patent. And then they got their name on the back as well. Behind that heart-shaped American flag. Oh. And then the recycling symbol, that's what it shows on the other side. What is that? Something with the X. So let's go ahead and then put this back. I'm glad I saw that so I can show you guys the message or whatever that is on the other side of the charms. If I could put this back, yeah. Wow, wow, what is this? So there is nothing on the back. Let's see. Why does the label look so old and used? See how the label is looks so old and used up? I'm not sure why. Hopefully this is not a customer return or anything like that. Also, it has a butterfly. And you got your American heart there too. I'm not sure what's this one. So total of, what is this? 1, 2, 3. This one has a 3 rings or bangle, whatever you call it. Okay, so that's this one. I don't even know what to call it because there's no description. See how the barcode is all ripped and kind of like a worn out. Put this one back. So she did not unbox it yet. I asked her if I could unbox it and she said okay, so maybe we need to return this one. Doesn't look new. While it looks like somebody been going through it. I don't know, rat or what? Oh, put it upside down. Anyway, I'll worry about that later. So this is the last one that I'm gonna do the unbox for Alex and Annie. Hopefully it's something good. Oh, how come this one is open? I mean, it's no good. Who opened it? I did an unbox video for you guys, and then I don't know why it's open. So let's see what the message say. Proudly designed and crafted in America and made with love. And you see that heart shape with the American flag logo on there. And there is a message right there. We create meaningful, eco-conscious jewelry and accessory to positively empower and connect humanity. We share a passion for the well-being of our planet, our communities, and our individual paths. Alex and Annie products are proudly designed and crafted in America and made with love. Designed to connect you. To wish love with love. So to. And then there is their website. So I'm not sure the second one, it did not come with this kind of card. So that's kind of messed up. So Alex and Annie, if you guys are watching this, make sure you guys give all the customer with the cards, because it's not right. So anyway, this one is like a star with the, I'm not sure, what is that, kind of crystal? Because this is all made out of recycling material, so I'm not sure. It's just a copper or what? Copper. So this one has four charms. So if any of you guys could let me know what this symbol is about, the middle one right here, or this one. If I could zoom in. It's an X. On the back is a recycling symbol. So basically, all the small one has the same message and picture or icon, whatever. So this one is pretty unique, okay? When you turn the star, well, if you separate it, then it's not going to turn out at the same time, but it's pretty good, actually. I'm not sure how they made it like this. It's pretty amazing that they could turn. So let's see. Oh. So when they loop it like that, all you do is just expand this. Oh, dang. And then put it through your wrist. I don't think it's going to fit mine. Oh, it does. And all you do is just push it back in to loop it back. So you require like what, 2 hands or what? So it's actually pretty easy. Okay, so just like that, all right? And that's it. So I'm pretty sure you could adjust tighter, smaller. Yeah. Make sure you put all the stars back together. And this same thing, just stretch it out. Wow, this one's kind of hard, stiff. I don't want to break it. But, so this one is a little bit harder. I'm not sure why. It still fit my wrist. Okay, and this is what's gonna look like with this charm hanging. Don't want to bend it. Dang. Yeah. So anyway, this is my unboxing for This bangle with charms from Alex and Annie. And I am not sponsored by them or any other vendors out there. Okay, I just do this unboxing for you guys to do the review or see what it look like. Hopefully you guys appreciate what I'm doing for you guys. Please be sure to like this video and then give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't do so yet, or if you are new. We do a lot of unboxing, tutorial, review, DIY, repair guide, or anything like that. Whatever that I could do to help you guys out. Please share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop any other comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Alright, like always, peace.